Hi guys and welcome to MotorBeam. The official reveal of the Skoda Slavia has taken place today and the brand will also be accepting bookings for the car right away. With this new product, the brand is all set to take on strong contenders in the C segment sedan market like the Honda City and the Hyundai Verna. This new sedan will be Skoda's first car to be unveiled as part of the second phase of its India 2.0 project and the second model to use the firm's MQB A0iN platform. Sporting a coupe-esque silhouette, the Skoda Slavia has a modern design language not dissimilar to the design of the new generation Fabia. Up front, there's an upright radiator grille with vertical slats and a chrome frame. It is flanked by sleek headlamps with L-shaped DRLs. The bumper also houses a wide lower air inlet, fog lamps with chrome garnish for the housing, and a splitter element. Riding on 16-inch wheels, the Slavia has a sharp character line and chrome applique on the waistline. At the rear, there is a heavily stylized boot lid, split LED tail lamps, a finely contoured rear bumper with chrome applique and a diffuser element. Measuring 4541mm long, 1752mm wide and 1487mm tall, the Slavia will be offered in 5 colors: brilliant silver, candy white, carbon steel, crystal blue and tornado red. Inside, the car has a dual-tone dashboard with a central bronze-colored element, 2-spoke multifunction steering wheel, 10-inch infotainment system, 8-inch digital instrument cluster and dual-tone seats. Some of the other features the C segment sedan will come with include ventilated front seats, Skoda Play apps, USB ports, electric sunroof, auto-dimming inside rear view mirror, wireless mobile charging and more. The Skoda Slavia will be offered in Active, Ambition and Style variants, and there will be 2 turbo petrol engines on offer right from the get-go. The smallest unit is a 1-litre 3-cylinder motor good for 115 PS, while the bigger 1.5-litre 4-cylinder engine featuring active cylinder technology makes 150 PS of power. Both the motors share a 6-speed manual gearbox, while the automatic options differ for each unit. The 3-cylinder engine gets a 6-speed torque converter, whereas the 1.5-litre motor can be paired with a 7-speed DSG. Details about the car's safety systems were also revealed. The front-wheel drive Skoda Slavia will feature both active and passive safety features, including up to 6 airbags to keep its occupants unhurt in the event of a collision. Apart from this, the vehicle also gets ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat mounts, TPMS and ESC as standard. Deliveries of the Skoda Slavia will begin in the first quarter of 2022. What do you think about this new C segment sedan? Let us know in the comment section below.